Hey guys, welcome back to Rockford YouTube channel. For this video, I have some amazing Amazon tool deals to share with you. Now, we don't normally do the weekend deals, but we did one in the middle of the night. Then I found some really good stuff today, so I thought, what the hell? They'll appreciate another video, a weekend video, because it's good stuff. All Amazon deals, everything linked down below. We're starting out with the home improvement deals page. We got all the category pages up here at the top. We don't talk about them too much, but there's more deals on those pages than whatever show up on the home page, so make sure you're always checking the category pages. This is the home improvement page, and the first thing I wanted to show you is this Vessel ball grip 1/4-inch hex bit interchangeable screwdriver. Normally $18, down to $12.80. Just a sale price, no coupon, no promo code, and all of these were posted today, so they're good right now. Maybe it should have had its own post, because it is a pretty good deal on the home page, but as you can tell, ultimately it's on the home improvement page. The other one I wanted to show you here is the Crescent 3-piece pry bar set. Normally $20.68 down to $14.29 for the little pry bar, guys. And if you just look at the scroll bar real quick, we've gone through a couple of deals here. Look at that scroll bar, doesn't even move. That is how much stuff we got posted over on the home improvement deals page, so make sure you're checking it out. That's linked down below. Next deal, portable power station, 294 watt hour, 300 watt lithium battery, AC outlet, solar generator. I love how they always put solar generator. Look, unless you pair it with something else, there is nothing solar about this product. There is no solar panel included. Solar panels are sold separate, and you don't necessarily need the solar panel because you can charge these with the wall outlet. Just give you a little bit of portable power. But anyway, this is by, what was the brand name? Innovative Life. I like that it's actually two words that can make sense together. Sometimes we don't get that with these Chinese companies. Now, it's 50% off, but they had several different options. This one starts out at $199. We got the 50% promo code that's supposed to go through the end of the month here, so you're only going to pay $99 for it. I love these little portable power stations. They are really useful. Camping, tailgating, just getting power where you need it. Keep a phone or a tablet, computer charged. Run some small electrical devices. Now, if you go to the text link here, there were other options by the same company, obviously all 50% off, and this was, I believe, the smallest of 5 or 6 different options for you. So if you're looking for a portable power station, but maybe this one isn't enough wattage for you, check those out. I believe this one did have 60-some reviews, so it's not maybe a newer product, but it's been reviewed several times. Next up, we have some jumper cables. We've seen these several times. Actually, this company has a bunch of different stuff as far as chargers, jump starters, cables, and cables of different gauges and lengths. But here we have the 2-gauge 16-foot jumper cables by No One, and they are 50% off. Maybe not as useful as back in the day now that we have our little jump start boxes, but still plenty of uses for them and can get you out of a bind. Normally $40, too much, don't like that, but we have a 40% coupon on the page and a 10% promo code. 50% off total, down to $19.99 for the 2-gauge 16-foot jumper cables. Here we got the Creek Jerk Riverbed Cutlery Folding Knife, button lock, pocket knife, everyday carry. This one's in green. It has several different colors. I don't know if they were all discounted, but look at this price. Over on Amazon, it is $32.99, which is about half price of anywhere else that you would pick up this knife. Knife Center, $67. Blade HQ, $70. White Mountain Knives. Why has it got to be a White Mountain, huh? Hey, I got to watch that video. Have you guys seen that Am I Racist movie that's coming out? Or that is out? I gotta see that. I think it's gonna be funny. You should look up the trailer if you don't know what I'm talking about. $65 from White Mountain Knives. So half price on Amazon. 320-piece survival kit, first aid kit by DLMD. It's 40% off. Look at all the stuff you get in here. I like these little kits. It may not be the highest quality, but it's just a little smorgasbord. People still use that term, smorgasbord. $30.81, but a 40% promo code, so $16 or so for all of this. and just get a look at some of it. You got the whole first aid kit portion. You got the folding, I was going to call that a saw. And it probably does have some saw teeth on one side or the other, but that's a shovel. That's definitely a shovel. You got the little folding hammer guy, which we're going to have another one that's pretty similar to that coming up. So it's kind of interesting. This one comes as a whole kit. You got a knife, you got a flashlight, scissors, a little chain wire saw, the credit card tool, the bracelet. I mean, you just got a lot of stuff for $50. This Christmas shopping is done. Just start handing them out. Boom, 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 boom. Now, there's no kitchen products in here, so you're still going to have to get something for your wife, but you got everyone else covered. Fiskars Bypass Pruning Shears, 1-inch cut capacity, soft grip pruners, $13. Home Depot, $40. Farm and Fleet, $25, but you're going to have to add shipping to that. So amazing deal at $13. Now, I would have to interject a little bit here, or I do have to. Getting cordless pruners, like the ones that DeWalt sells, are so amazing. Don't have to worry about the old squeezing, the arthritis, or the carpal tunnel. Nah, you just pull a little trigger nice and easy, and chop. It's like a guillotine for your finger. By the way, don't stick your finger in there. Don't stick anything else in there either. Oh, what was that person's name? We've brought her up before. We don't want to talk about it. It just I hurt just thinking about her. We'll throw it in a cornfield. $13 on the bypass pruning shears. It's manual labor, but it's cheap manual labor, so it's alright. She won't mind. Now here we have some major brands. I mean, Fiskar's a major brand, but tool brands. The Crescent 10-piece, 12-point metric combination wrench set. So 10 wrenches. Doesn't say the sizes here. I'm going to guess like 8 through, let's see. The Walmart ones we were talking about, I think it was 8 through 19. So we're just going to say it's the same thing, but we're totally a liar. $16.99 is the current sale price on Amazon. That's price matching Home Depot, who also has it for free shipping, so pick your poison, whoever you like best. Acme Tools is $23.89, but we're going to add about $6 in for the shipping charge, bring it up to close to $30. But $16.99 for a good name brand and 10 pieces, barely over $1 a wrench. Another Crescent deal. Here's the 5-piece SAE solid shaft. You gotta love a solid shaft. Never want a flaccid shaft. Tri-lobe, although they got a little pill for that. Acetate handles, which are really nice. I actually like those. They're not as popular today as they used to be, but I like those handles. Nut driver set, color coded, $18.12 for the 5-pack. Acme Tools, $27.49. Zorro, $28.69, about $10 cheaper. Get your solid shaft nut drivers. Another Crescent deal. 25-piece, 3/8-inch drive pass-through socket set. This is a spline-style sockets. We've seen this in the past, and I've never picked it up, and this time I decided, you know what, damn it, I've wanted it every time we see it, and I just don't pull the trigger. Now I'm doing it. So I currently own this. I mean, it hasn't been delivered, but I paid for it, so I think that counts as owning it. So it's the pass-through, so a little bit better for confined spaces, because these sockets will actually go into the ratchet there. And it's a spline-style socket, so not 12-point, 6-point, any of that stuff. You get the little 1/4-inch adapter, so these are all 3/8-inch, but you get the 1/4-inch adapter, so you can put 1/4-inch sockets on there. And then we also have the 1/4-inch hex, which is really cool. It comes with a couple little hex bits, but that can be super useful for all sorts of stuff, especially when you got to get extra leverage. Maybe the screwdriver's camming out a little bit. You could use an impact screwdriver, or maybe use this guy, get a little bit more pressure in there and hold it in place. Or maybe it's just like super tight. But I really like that, the bit adapter, be able to put on the sockets. And it's only $19.99. I mean, you're getting a ratchet, you're getting all the sockets. It doesn't show a handy dandy case, but I feel like it's probably not going to come in just like a plastic bag. It's not going to be like a poly mailer with pieces just laying around. Now, it could be a plastic blister pack or something, and that would kind of suck. Let's hope there's a little bit of a case with it. But either way, $19.99. I love that. Now, they're price matching Lowe's, but you're not going to get free shipping from Lowe's at that price. Home Depot's $33.62, and Tractor Supply $24.99, probably plus shipping on top of that. So $19.99. I mean, you're definitely not going to get it any cheaper. And we got 900 reviews. Something I just really wanted myself, and I thought that's cheap enough. I'll have $19.99 worth of fun just opening it up, playing around with it. Ain't that the truth? Irwin, 7.5-inch fixed curved blade. This one's a Peroni's linoleum knife. Got a bent carrot there. $2.99 free shipping for the Prime members. Again, a price match with Lowe's, but Lowe's is going to add a shipping charge into that. $5.39 plus shipping tool nut. $5.99 plus shipping Acme tools. So the real deal here, I mean, besides $2.99 is, you know, half the price of some of these other guys. You're getting the free shipping if you're a Prime member. No one else is going to ship it to you for free, so you get that right to your door. No coupon, no promo code. That's kind of a stock-up price if it's something you think you would use a lot. 12-in-1 hammer multi-tool by Bib. It's 50% off. Pretty similar to what we saw in that other kit. Although this one I do think had a bunch of reviews if you open up the Amazon page. $19.99, 50% off, so only $9.99. Little multi-tool guy. Keep it in the tackle box. Little portable tool box. We got a hammer. We got pliers. We got a knife. We got a saw. Probably got a screwdriver in there somewhere. Endoscope camera with light. 4.3-inch LCD screen. Inspection camera. Waterproof. 8 adjustable LED lights. We got a 16.5 semi-rigid cord. Boy, we've had solid shafts and Peronis and what's going on here? It's getting weird, alright? Getting weird. I don't like it. Maybe a little bit. When 48% off. Got all the little tools you can screw on the end. Let's see, you got a hook. That's probably a mirror, and I'm guessing a magnet. So you unscrew a little collar usually on the end of this guy. And one thing is you want to keep something on it at all times. Don't take the collar off and then lose it, because then you're going to have exposed threads and high probability of damaging the threads. And then you're going to have a hell of a time using one of the little extra tools. Which the mirror one I always think is interesting, because I've tried several times to use that mirror. That mirror is useless as shit. The hook, the magnet, I totally understand. Those could be useful. That mirror, I don't know what to do with that mirror. A little tiny-ass mirror. Let's see what's behind me. Nah. But 16.5 footer. Nice big color screen. $44, but a 48% promo code. I guess they couldn't go the full 50. They thought 50 breaks the bank, but 48 they're comfortable with. So $24 or so for your inspection camera, endoscope, snake camera, if you will. Definitely should have one of those. Useful for so much stuff. So there it is, guys. Just a little quickie. I saw these deals, and I thought, you know what? These are pretty good deals. These are worth telling the people about. I gotta share them with the peeps. So everything will be linked down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like, subscriber. And hey, football tomorrow. You know what that means. Go Bears. Go Bears.